How to add proxy into your profile. To add proxy to a single profile, choose your profile and click Edit. Select your connection type, for example, HTTP proxy. Move to proxy provider website. Configure your proxy setting. Copy and paste into GenLogin. You can also check your proxy. Remember to click Update. Next, how to add proxy to many profiles. Select profiles you want, and then click Update Proxy. Choose your type of connection. Here we have 15 profiles, so we need 15 proxies. Paste here and then click Update. Wait until all your profiles are updated.